I just bought it from Amazon, the C and the F boots cover. This is 100 pieces. So in this video, I'm gonna open the box to see the quality. So everyone is individual packed. So it's very easy to take two out. And the material, I'd say that it's pretty good. It's not like a very thin kind of thing. It's kind of, you see, it's pretty good. And the size is XL, so I'm gonna put my boots in to see how it fits. So this is my work boots. The size is 41, maybe 42. So let's put this on. This is extra large, so very easily. And I think you still got plenty of room, so I think 45, 46 still okay, but they're gonna be pretty tight. Now it's fully covered, and you'll see the seam is on the bottom, so it's kind of anti-slip in my opinion, and you don't need to really worry about the quality. It's really good. Let's say let me tear that apart to see how hard is it, because you're gonna step on it. Okay, you see when I pull, it's kind of loose, but it's not tear at all. Right now it's teared. You're gonna I'd say that's at least like 40-50 pounds or maybe more, right? Very impressive. So maybe this is the best foot boot cover I'll be using, and hopefully they can serve me for a longer time. Totally 100 pieces. Very good product. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.